For me, it's not just about their Greek yogurt, but it's about taking chances in life for their own health. My name is Poonam. I am a registered dietitian.
My name is Josefina. I am the Registered Kinesiologist for the Sun Life Osler Healthy Active Living Initiative, and we are here to conduct workshops for Peel Living. I think it benefits the residents because we're able to provide inclusive programming to the residents based on their needs. So for example, falls prevention, as well as bringing food that they are interested in.
We tailored a workshop that offered ideas for physical activity that modifies based on their ability or their mobility. And then we also made workshops on healthy eating.
So my favorite part is meeting the residents and providing them a safe space to socialize and come together as a community. We will be coming back with Peel Living, so there's going to be more of us in the future.
I'm enjoying it very much. I love it. It's very useful to us and to all the seniors. Emphasize everything, and then they bring snacks for us too.